Welcome to your ERSP training with Prince Charles Home Healthcare. We're so glad you're here. This system is designed to be a straightforward tool for you, our valued caregivers, to manage your work hours. At its heart, ERSP is how we ensure you're accurately compensated for your dedication. Properly clocking in and out isn't just about logging your time. It's the direct link to your pay. Every minute you invest in caring for our clients is recognized and accounted for through this process. Beyond your personal compensation, accurate timekeeping is vital for Prince Charles Home Healthcare as a whole. It allows us to meticulously adhere to all necessary regulations and standards, ensuring we consistently provide the highest quality of care. This commitment to accuracy benefits everyone involved, you, our clients, and our organization. To get started, you need to download ERSP Mobile Connect via your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You should have received your username and password for logging in from your HR administrator during your orientation. Once in your App Store, type in ERSP Mobile Connect. This is what the app should look like. After downloading your app and retrieving your login credentials, you will now be able to log your hours. When you first open your app, after downloading, you will be asked to enter your ERSP site. That will be Prince Charles HC. You can now access the app with the login and password that was provided to you. Please ensure that for the account type, Caregiver is selected. You can now proceed with logging in. When clocking in and out, you will see your assigned shifts. You will click on your assigned shift and then click on the clock in the top right corner. You will then select Clock In. When asked, please allow the use of location services. This will only be used in app for clocking in and out. Please note that you have to be within a certain feet of your client's home to appropriately clock in. After clicking Clock In, please wait for ERSP to say your clock in was successful. That is everything you will need to clock in. When clocking out, you will need to complete your care notes as well as mark your activities complete. On the main screen for clocking in, you will select Care Notes. All care notes should be marked No, unless there are any changes that need to be documented. In that case, please document them. Proceed to go through and mark your care notes as No, then you will press Save. You will then have a list of activities that you should have completed during your shift. Go to Activities and mark these activities as complete. Then click Update. The app will then notify you that you have met your shift requirements, and you are able to go back to the main screen to clock out using the same steps as clocking in. Lastly, you will go back to your Notes section and click Customer Visit Signature, in which you will get your client to sign. After signing, you will click Save. You will then go to the Caregiver Signature section to sign. During your orientation, your signature should already be saved here. Therefore, it should auto-populate in the box, and you can just click Save. This is your last and final step for completing your shift. ERSP also houses important company documents you may need. By clicking the menu bar at the top right corner of the app and selecting Full Site, you can access documentation and newsletters at any time. This concludes your training. If you experience any issues using the app for clocking in or out, please contact the HR department for assistance. Thank you.